So this is a wobble saw, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. It wobbles, and it's got marks around the edge there, so you can alter it to vary the width of the groove it makes. So I'm going to use this for putting grooves in my drawer boxes. You wouldn't do that grub screw there with Allen key, and you set it. I've got it set to 9mm, I believe. No, 10, because we're grooving for 9 to 10-ish thick veneered MDF, oak veneered MDF. So that's a wobble saw. And it sits on the spindle moulder. Like so.